This is a question from the digital SAT. It's a circle question, and it's considered by College Board hard. So it says a circle in the xy plane has its center at negative 5, 2 and the radius of 9. An equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are constants. What is the value of c? Well, this is going to take, you know this equation, this is the center, h, k, and you know the general equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. It says the radius is 9. So it's going to be x minus 5, x plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 81. Well, you can now expand these two things and find out what the constant term is. You'll subtract 81 from both sides. Or recognize here that to get this equal to 0, I'm going to have to subtract negative 81 is going to have to be over here. Because this equal 81, I'm going to have to subtract 81 from both sides to get it equal to 0. And now I can use Desmos, realizing that I had to put that negative r squared on the left side with the whole equation. I can use Desmos. I can see x squared plus y squared, and I'm going to find my Desmos here. X squared plus y squared plus ax plus by, and I think it's plus c, plus c equals 0. Now I'm going to put a slider for all, but I'm going to get rid of that c slider, because here I'm going to put what c equals. C equals. How do I complete the square? I take whatever's in front of x, which is the a, divide by 2 and square it. So c equals a over 2 squared plus, and then the same thing, I take whatever's in front of the y, I divide it by 2 and then I square it, plus b over 2, wait a minute, I put 26 somehow, b over 2 squared, and then remember, it was equals 81, but I want it to be equal 0, so I had to subtract 81 from both sides, and that's what c equals. A over 2 squared plus b over 2 squared minus 81. Now I have to do one more thing. It says negative 5 and negative 2. So a is x plus 5 and y minus 2. And those are a over 2 and b over 2. So I have to multiply those by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. A equals 10. And b equals negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Okay, so now I've done everything. I've got my a, I've got my b, and now I've got my c, which is negative 52. So that's a quick way to do it. If you understand how to complete the square, you can just type it into Desmos very quickly and have it do it for you instead of expanding these two perfect squares and then subtracting 81 from both sides. That way is pretty quick, but you can also do it on Desmos.